There he is.
Got him! What's up, guys? Justin with Real Wisconsin Outdoors, and today we are back doing some Wisconsin early season trout fishing on unnamed creek. Now I'm here with my good buddy Scott. Him and I are going to be throwing some spinners, some Joe's flies, etc., like you guys have been seeing so far this season. And we are going to attempt to catch some nice trout. It's about 32, 34 degrees. So without further ado, let's get after it. All right, guys, we're fishing with the Trout Candy spinner from Joe's Flies. It's a 1/4 ounce with the green and red. Ah! I'm in. Scott! Oh, nice fish, whatever this is. Brookie. Really? Nope. It's. What do we got here? Let's have a look.
The brown.
Okay, nice brown.
Come on.
There we go. All right, we'll put them back in the water here and we'll get them off and get down here.
We got a brown.
Yeah, real nice brown on the. Let's have a look here. Real nice brown here on the Joe's Flies Trout Candy. What a gorgeous brown here. 12-incher. Yeah, baby. Let's go ahead and let him go. Oh, there he goes. Right underneath that log. Wonder if we'll get him. We got him last time. Oh, Scott, big trout right in here. Big trout right here. I'm going to get over here. Let you get in there. Oh, my God.
There you go.
Right next to the tree. How is there not a fish? How? How is there not a fish here? Oh, my God. We have to fish this. We have to fish this. We pulled 2 out of here last time. Scott! Oh!
There went one out of the log.
Yep.
But I seen the one hit yours.
Throw up there.
I seen him hit yours.
Yeah, you hit it good too. I just didn't get him.
Oh, snapped line and everything.
Yep. That stick was vicious.
It'll still be there, hopefully.
Oh yeah, it's not going anywhere. Jesus Christ.
There you go.
Best cast I've ever thrown. I've thrown today.
Come on, buddy, hit it.
Go,
There
Scott!
he is.
Huge follow.
Yeah, there he is.
Don't move. Don't move.
I'm not.
I want him. I'm going very slowly towards my lure to get my lure back. He's laying right here. I know something I didn't do that I should have done. Shame on me. Watch this. Bam!
Bring it right along this way. Because I think he's scooted underneath that log
Okay.
there.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there you go. Now bring it right along this log over here. I'm sure that's where he's scooted. There he is.
Got him! I got him! I did it! Oh, I nailed him!
Brookie.
Can I have you hold this for me?
Yes, sir. Nice little brookie. He wanted that bad. He was hungry.
Yes, he did.
He was hungry.
Gorgeous fish. Oh man, what a pretty trout. We got him. We were patient and we got him. A keeper during season.